Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to come on here real quick and say I know I suck because everything was being covered by the big ol' ugly stamper. But thank God for clear jelly stampers, right? Because they're big and see-through. But I still wanted to upload this video because the design is so cute at the end. So stay tuned to the end. And I know this is a very short video, but thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.